everyone. I just thought I would jump on and show you my pickled onions that I have here in apple cider vinegar. So this is just apple cider vinegar, garlic, a little bit of honey, and red onions. And this is something you can do really quickly in your kitchen, and it's awesome to have in the fridge for sandwiches, or if you're doing a charcuterie board, you can put them on the board and have them with your charcuterie, which is really awesome. I'm also working on doing my ferments, which I do every day. I do kefir, water kefir, and these are my water kefir grains, as you can see. And what I've done for today is I've taken hibiscus tea and put a little bit of honey in it, and then I've put it in here, and I'm going to put some berries in there, and I'm going to strain that off and then do another batch. So I just thought I would jump on and say hi, because it's been a long time since I did a video, and I'm just about to go to my sister's place in Calgary, and so I've got my workout stuff on. I'm going to get a workout in, and I just wanted to show you too something that I made. Sorry about that, a gluten-free sourdough bread, and this is it. Isn't that awesome? So I've already tried a piece, and it's pretty good. It's really sour. It didn't raise that much, which I'm gonna have to work on that. So I'm gonna kind of be working on designing some recipes and stuff like that. So I hope everyone's doing great. If you are inclined to do so, make some pickled onions. Oopsie, sorry. And make some pickled onions, because it's awesome to have in your fridge, and once you do them, you'll never ever not do them. It really takes down the potency of the onions. And yeah, so basically I just put it all together, leave it on the counter overnight, and then I stick it in the fridge in the morning. So anyway, everyone can do it, and look how beautiful it is. So gorgeous. So I hope everyone's having a great day. I'm gonna go work out, and then I'm gonna go to my sister's, and we're gonna go pick up a load of wood, because I love having a fire. So we have to get some wood, and it's freaking cold out. And my brother came over and visited me last night, which was really nice. He had a sleepover, so it was nice to see my brother, who I love dearly. He's been up north working a lot these last couple months, away from home for, I think he was away from home for 3 months. So kudos to all those men that go away up north and are away from their family, which that is what my husband does too. But my husband's been home for a while, so I know he's probably gonna be going to work soon, and we're gonna miss him. He's working out right now with Seth downstairs. We've been homeschooling, it's been going good, and just trying to find a rhythm for my Patreon page, which you can go check out, because all the videos are free right now. I am basically putting up all the videos that I have in my Facebook page and stuff, and putting it on there for free, so you don't have to go searching for recipes and stuff like that, or videos. I also posted on my YouTube channel, so you can go check that out too. So everything's pretty loosey-goosey, nothing's perfect, which is just the way I like to roll. So I hope you guys are doing well. Go check out my Patreon page and go do some fermented onions. And if you do so, take a picture and post it down below. I'd love to see them. If you have any questions, let me know. See you later. Bye-bye, you guys.